Join me as I dive into the challenge of exploring the top passive income ideas that could help us secure our financial future. Building a secure financial future is a goal we all share, and one key concept that can help us get there is passive income. Passive income refers to earnings that require minimal effort to maintain, allowing us to earn money while we sleep, travel, or focus on other passions. Having multiple streams of passive income can provide peace of mind, reduce financial stress, and give us the freedom to pursue our goals. Many people struggle to generate passive income streams, often due to misconceptions about what it takes to get started. Some think that creating passive income requires a lot of money, others believe it's only for experts or that it's a get-rich-quick scheme. The truth is, anyone can start building passive income streams with some effort and patience. A common challenge people face is not knowing where to start or which opportunities are legitimate. This can lead to analysis paralysis or worse, falling into scams. Let's explore some popular passive income ideas that have the potential to generate significant returns. Real estate investing, for instance, can provide rental income and potential long-term appreciation. Dividend stocks offer a share of company profits, usually distributed quarterly. Online businesses, such as affiliate marketing, creating and selling digital products, or starting a blog or YouTube channel, can also generate passive income. Another option is peer-to-peer lending, where individuals lend money to others, earning interest on their investment. Among these options, online businesses stand out for their scalability and relatively low startup costs. With the rise of the digital economy, creating and selling online courses, ebooks, or software products has become more accessible than ever. Many people have achieved financial freedom through online businesses, which can be managed from anywhere with an internet connection. To achieve financial freedom, it's essential to choose a passive income strategy that aligns with your skills, interests, and resources. By doing so, you can create a steady stream of income that supports your lifestyle. The potential for financial freedom is within reach, and it starts with taking the first step. In conclusion, building a secure financial future requires effort and patience, but with the right passive income strategies, it's achievable. The key ideas we've discussed include real estate investing, dividend stocks, online businesses, and peer-to-peer lending. By exploring these options, you can create a more stable financial future. If you have a favorite passive income idea or one that's worked for you, please share it with us in the comments below. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more financial tips and strategies to help you achieve your goals. Please do like, comment, and subscribe for more weekly personal finance tips.